Hi, I'm David. I'm an Aries, and here's an Aries cup, Ace of Cups, and these are the cards. Shuffle the cards once. So now we have this folding table right here. Right now it's pretty sturdy, but some people don't like folding tables because they're not sturdy enough. So here's an eye hook with a bolt on the end. Here's a U-lock. Here's a U-lock, and we're gonna put this, thread it in there, thread it in the U-lock, the eye hook. So this could be your side liner. This could be your best case scenario, is it with inside there? Worst case scenario, and somewhere in between. So I'm going to show you how to do this on a upright folding piano table. So we're going to flip the table upside down. A little bit closer so you can see it. This is underneath the table. Here's the unfoldable table that things won't hold up. They're too wobbly. So you take the U-lock and the eye hook, and you thread through the doohickey, this thing. Make sure they look like that when they're done. You just go like, put the metal piece in, the eye hook in. Put the U-lock in there and the eye hook. Put the metal bar in the inside of the leg. And put the threads on. The nuts. And the eye hook is going to have a bolt on it. The inside of the thing. You're going to have a U-lock that's already connected, threaded by the eye hook. And then you're going to proceed to lock